Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science. Today, my subject name is Managerial Economics. My topic name is Monetary Policy. What is monetary policy? Monetary policy refers to the action undertaken by a nation central bank to control the money supply, availability, the credit and interest rate. The primary goal is to achieve macroeconomic objectives such as controlling inflation, managing employment level, and fostering economic growth. Objectives of monetary policy: control inflation. One of the primary objectives is to maintain price stability. Central bank aim to keep inflation within a target range to ensure that the purchasing power of the currency remains stable. Maximize employment. Monetary policy seeks to create an environment conducive to job creation by influencing interest rate and credit availability. Central bank can stimulate economic activity and reduce unemployment. Stabilize currency. A stable currency fosters confidence in the economy. Central bank intervenes in foreign exchange market to prevent excessive volatility in currency value. Promote economic growth by adjusting interest rate and influencing investment. Monetary policy can stimulate economic growth. Lower interest rate typically encourage borrowing and spending, which can boost economic activities. Tools of monetary policy. Central bank employs various tools to implement monetary policy, including open market operation. This involves the buying and selling of government securities in the open market. Purchasing securities inject money into the economy, while selling them withdraw money from circulation. Interest rate adjustment. Central banks set benchmark interest rate, which influence the rate at which bank lend to consumer and business. Lowering interest rate make borrowing cheaper, while raising them can help cool an overheating economic. Reserve requirement. Central bank can alter the reserve requirement for commercial bank, determining how much money bank must hold in reserve and how much they can lead. Lowering reserve requirement increase the money policy, while raising them restrict it. Discount rate. This is the interest rate charged to commercial bank for short-term loan from the central bank. Adjustment. The discount rate influence the cost of borrowing for bank and subsequently for consumer and business. Types of monetary policy. Monetary policy can be categorized into two main types. Expansionary monetary policy. This approach used to during period of economic downturn or reaction by lowering interest rate and increasing the money supply. Central bank aim to stimulate economic activity by encourage spending. Contracting monetary policy. This is implemented when the economic is overheating, characterized by high inflation. By raising interest rate and reducing the money supply, central bank aim to cool down economic activity and stabilize price. The impact of monetary policy. The effect of monetary policy can be profound and far-reaching. Economic growth. Effectively, monetary policy can stimulate economic growth by encouraging investment and consumption. Lower interest rate can lead to increased borrowing, which can drive business expansion, consumer spending. Inflation control. By managing the money supply and interest rate, central bank can keep inflation in check. Employment level. Monetary policy can influence job creation. Expansionary policy can lead to lower unemployment rate while contractionary policy may slow job growth. Financial market. Challenge in monetary policy can significantly impact financial market. Challenge and limitation. While monetary policy is powerful tools, it not without challenging time logs. The effect of monetary policy are not immediate. There can be significant time lags between the implementation policy changes and their impact on the economic. Global influence. In an interconnected world, external factors such as global economic condition and geopolitical event can undermine domestic monetary policy effort. Liquid traps. In situations where interest rates are already low, further reduction may have little effect on simultaneing the economic, leading to liquid trap. Economic expectation. The effectiveness of money policy can be influenced by public expectation. Conclusion. Monetary policy play a vital role in managing economic stability and growth. By understanding its objectives, tools, and impact can be appropriated the complex involvement in economic management. While challenge exist, effective monetary policy remain essential for fostering health, economic, and encouraging the well-being of citizens. As economic, so too much must the strategy employment by central bank to negative the ever-challenging landscape of global finance. Thank you.